Huh? Let's be in the same server? I don't. Oh, I'm with I Am a Nerd. That's kinda rare, especially with how many servers there are. You can't even scroll. One. Oh, Nally, we did it! Okay, let's go. I want to do quests too, but I don't know what quests are even for. Oh, the battle pass is here. And you see the reason that this floor and wallpaper are here? You want to know why they're here? Because of me. I'm the one who suggested that they add floor and wallpaper to the battle pass. Okay, how do we get to 9-1?